Okay.
Yeah.
Today is August 24, 2010. We are here in Dubai, and I'm here with Waqas and Inayatur Rahman Saab, who's the Joint Secretary of the Pakistan Association in Dubai, and we have other people here. And these are the ladies who are working here. It'll be a very fast shot, okay? And there we have the picture of the Qa'id here in this room where these ladies and these girls are working. And I'm going to do an interview with a young Pakistani lady who is working here. What's your name?
Nisa Rahim.
Nisa Rahim. Where do you live?
I live here in Dubai.
You live here in Dubai. And it is about 12 o'clock in the night. And what are you doing here?
We're involved in collecting and sorting and sending flood relief items to the flood relief.
Okay. So, what is happening here? Can you briefly describe?
So basically in Dubai we've been collecting donations from everyone, and we have been collecting it and sorting it, as you see here, in different categories.
Okay.
So we have ladies' clothes, girls' clothes, boys' clothes, we have towels, blankets, we have tents, many things that we've collected, things that are required over there on the ground.
Okay.
And we're sorting it out and loading containers. We've been sending almost a container a day to Pakistan.
Okay. And why are those signs there, men,
This
women?
is actually just for the sorting. This is our organization. So we had different categories of things. Donations were coming too much, so we had to reorganize it. We've done it a bit differently now.
Okay, so do you have a message that you want to give to Pakistan or to the people of Pakistan, to the women of Pakistan, all over the world?
Yes. I appeal to every Pakistani to wake up and realize that nobody is going to help us in this tragedy. Our government's not going to help us. The international population is not going to help us. If anybody's going to help, we have to do it ourselves. And by the way, this is not a charity. This is not for. This is not a noble cause or for God or for all these other excuses I've been hearing. This is our duty. Pakistan is our country, it's our duty. When your parents or your children are in need, you don't think of that as charity, right? You go and you do it, you help them because it's your duty. In the same way, Pakistan is our family, Pakistanis are our family, our brothers and sisters are in need, and no one's going to help us except for us. So we have to now get our act together and inshallah help our brothers and sisters.
Can you introduce her, please?
Yes, this is Chitra. She's Sri Lankan. Now this is charity. When a Sri Lankan, an Indian, or an American or a British person, because we get those volunteers as well, when they come here and do voluntary work and help us send containers off to Pakistan, now that's charity. That's out of the goodness of their hearts, and that's charity. But when we Pakistanis do it, it's our duty. So every Pakistani should get up, start sending stuff back to the people who need it.
Would you like to say a few words, Chitra, please?
चित्रा, आप कुछ बोलना
चाहते हैं? आप ये क्यों कर रही हैं?
हम लोग को सारा दुनिया में प्रॉब्लम है ना पाकिस्तान का, इसलिए हेल्प करने के लिए आए।
अच्छा, आप कहाँ से हैं?
श्रीलंका।
आप श्रीलंका से? हम लोग श्रीलंका के लोगों से आपकी वजह से बहुत शुक्रगुजार हैं कि आप आए हैं, रात में 12 बजे ये काम कर रहे हैं, और ये आपको किसी ने
प्रॉब्लम है तो हेल्प करना पड़ेगा ना सर, कि हम लोग को सारा प्रॉब्लम है तो ये हेल्प करना पड़ेगा।
श्रीलंका जिंदाबाद। थैंक यू वेरी मच। बहुत बहुत पाकिस्तान की तरफ से और पूरी दुनिया की इंसानियत की तरफ से आपको बहुत शुक्रिया आपका कि आप आए। थैंक यू बेटा, थैंक यू वेरी मच। और ये सारे, एनीबडी वांट टू से एनीथिंग, एनी ऑफ यू गर्ल्स लाइक टू से समथिंग? ओके, तो ये सारे बच्चियाँ here in Dubai, they are working, and mashallah they are doing an excellent job. They have organized everything, and what she just said is so important. It is family, it is us. If there is Pakistan, it is we. If there is no Khuda na khasta, there is no Pakistan, then we have no identity. So everybody, every person, every man, woman, child, get out of your houses. Here in UAE, Middle East, Africa, Europe, America, Australia, everywhere. Pakistan, Zindabad.